Wow.
Whoa! Did you see me? Did you see me?
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Clappy, and this week we make a giant slime. Do you remember? How about the mini? So today with the balloon and some ingredients, I will make a small tiny slime. Let's do it! So small. Let's go through the ingredients. I have activator, glue with water, food coloring, glitter, I have green, and the last one, shaving cream. But the most important thing we have here is balloon. Come on, you cannot eat it. Okay, now let's start. First, I will cover out this balloon. See what we got? Every color. The activate. Okay, let's put the activate here inside the white balloon. I love this step. Carefully. Okay. Carefully tie it. I know this is a hard step because the balloon, look at this, it's so tiny. So if you want to do it, you can tell your parent do this step. Yes, I'm done with one balloon. Put it here. The next one I have is glue with water. Because it's so dense, so I have to put water into it. Okay. Go up. Yes. And go inside. Oh, it's more easy with glue. Do you know why? Because the glue is dense, so it cannot rig up. Let's make a tiny bowl here. Can you see it? Yes. Done with two balloons. The next one is food coloring because it looks like orange, so that I will choose this orange balloon. Okay. We don't need too much food coloring. A tiny balloon with a full stomach. And I love this step a lot because look at this. It's so different with all the steps. Put out this one and you pour. Whoa! It's hard. Do this. Wow! I think I failed. It's okay. Let's choose the blue one. Oh, the shaving cream looks like orange. Yes. Yes. This is the biggest one. Tiny. Yes, and we go to the left, the last one. so hard because it's green, so that I choose the green balloon. Carefully, careful. Well, it's not too hard. If you do it carefully, it's quite easy. Is it enough? A little bit more. You know what? The more glitter you have, the more beautiful it is. Yes. Okay. I'm done with all 5 balloons. Now look at this, we have 5 balloons here, and I love to cut it. This so impressed me. Actually, I forgot what color cover what. I just remember this is shaving cream. Yes, shaving cream first. Yes. Wow. Look at this shaving cream. It has food coloring here, so it's a little bit yellow. The next one. I remember this big one is glue. Glue with water. Yes. Exactly. This one. Maybe activator. Wow. This one, food coloring. And the last one, glitter. We have to be careful with this one because we don't want it to go into my nose. Okay. Look at this tiny balloon with tiny glitter. Can you see it? It looks like cheese with lemon. Okay. Okay, we have 4 ingredients here, and now I'm stir it. Actually, I really love this one because you know what? If you see videos, if you watch video on Clappy channel, you can see it. I always make a big one or a giant one. So this is a tiny one. The first time I make a tiny one. Look at this. It's almost done. Yeah. Can you see it? Yeah. It looks like candy. Yes, the candy. A mango candy. Wow, look at this. Wait for it to leaven and then yeah. That's actually candy. Okay, and then use my hand. Wow. Look at this because it has shaving cream and so it's easily brushed. But it's okay. So sharp. Don't stick my hand. Don't stick my hand. Now, can you remember? Do you remember the bubble that I make in the previous video? Now I will make the bubble by this. I will make the bubble. No, it's so hard because it's so tiny. Ooh, okay. Wow. Actually, it's hard. Okay. I fail. Okay. Yeah, and now you see it. I perfectly finished this lamp. And if you like this video or like my slams, don't forget to subscribe our channel Clappy. And see you next time. Bye bye. Oh, yes. Whoa. Look at this. I like it. Wow. Whoa. Did you see me?